For now, we are going to create the authorized and unauthorized access permissions. So let me go back. Let me go to the config JSON file. This is the file. Here we have the two user roles. Let me add the is admin, and I think if I will use the admin only, that will be the best. User dot admin, only admin. Okay. This is the JSON file. Here I can use admin. Now let me see if I'm using it somewhere else. Actually, it is the user roles dot admin. Dot admin. Okay. So in this file, let me add two of the another roles, like we have user, we have admin, we have actually the sequence was right before. Now let's add two another roles, that will be super admin and master. Okay, super admin, that should have role of 2, and master 3, and the last one is super master. Super master 4. Oh no, okay, super master admin. Let's go to here in our access permission middleware. Here we have added the required permission. Actually, we don't need to write this for kind of method, because we are using the get method here in the outs. So we don't need to do that. Let me close this one. Let's move to the required. Where is the required permission I had got? Here, as we are receiving the model, we can also receive the permissions of users in the array of objects, like array of elements like authorized, authorized is equal to a empty null array, and unauthorized unauthorized authorized authorized user. That is the great example. Unauthorized user. Okay, this will also be the initial empty array. So now we are using it here in the route. This route we know that this is the required permission of delete method, so we do not need to pass the delete method. Here we can only pass the authorized user. Okay, so it will be an array that will include the authorized user, like I want to read this post, but that will be done by admin. User roles dot admin and it will be deleted by the super admin. User roles dot super admin okay, super master admin and master. These are the authorized user. Now let me pass unauthorized user. That will be user roles dot user and user roles dot superadmin. That is for only testing purpose. Though we don't have to care about the roles. Only the focus is at the functionality. The roles can be provided by the client's requirement. Okay, that is only for the model. If we have the model, then we will perform this one. Here I can authorize user. Here let's have the permission of authorized user. Authorized user. And user dot role is equal to admin. So we are getting the user here. Get user from token. Constant user is equal to this, and this user dot okay. Now we have user. Yeah. This is for only authorized user. Check if the user role has no. Check if the user role is authorized. Check for authorized user. Authorized user. I really don't need this check. User dot role is equal to authorized user dot includes this user dot role. Okay, sorry. So authorized user dot include if this exists. If the current user role exists in the side of these user, then we should go to R. Then we should go to to the next. Okay, else if unauthorized user and if unauthorized user unauthorized user dot includes user dot role, then it should go to the unauthorized user, as it should also return us the same response. For example, we have two user data who are authorized, but what about if we have a lot of users? But what about if we have a lot of users? Let me go back to here. We don't have any authorized user. Then what happened? Will it run? Let's check. It will go to here, unauthorized user. We have unauthorized user, and all of the users have the functionality. So this check will not run. The best approach would be like this. If we have the user length, then we should go to the next. That are the allowed user, as we should check for unauthorized user. If they are have unauthorized user, then it should return to them. The response should return to them. But how can we handle that in such a way if we don't have the authorized user? If we do not have the authorized user, then we will go back to the next function. Can we check it right now? Let me try to check it if I can. You're not trying to delete this post. Basically, this is the function that is making the main problem. Let's try again. Unauthorized. We have it talking about the user, but user is not authorized. Yeah. So let's have the. Let me know this one. The whole array. Uh, that would be the best approach if we can have a single separated line. It would be easy for us to commit that line of code. Okay, so now it is very easy to commit that line of code if we don't have unauthorized user. any unauthorized user, then here we can go post has been deleted successfully. But what if we have authorized user, no authorized user, but we have some, and we also do not have this one. Access permission, we are using it. I think let me close this route. In this route, let me also close this one. So let's call post not found. Why? Because the post has been deleted. Okay, no problem. So it means to say that it's going to its post. So now let me check if we have an authorized user, like a user. It should return us a error that unauthorized, but it is not getting us any error. Let's check unauthorized. Okay, well, so let me, both are not working fine. I will pure the code of this access permission middleware into the next video. Let me commit that one. Git status, git add, git commit management state created the access permissions based on the user roles. Git status, git post origin, main. Sorry.